Samsung's Unpacked event is here, and this time it's not about smartphones, rather on their Galaxy Laptop series, which is claimed to be the most powerful Galaxy device ever by Samsung. On this Unpacked event, they have launched Galaxy Book Pro, Galaxy Book Pro 360, and Galaxy Book Odyssey with some eye-catching features. Probably, with all these specs and performance, they are the most powerful Galaxy devices. But will it be enough to compete with the other laptops available at the same price range? In this video, we will be showing you all the features of these three newly launched Galaxy laptops. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Starting with the design, all three laptops come in a thin and lightweight design. The thinner bezels give it a more premium look, and it feels pretty easy to carry anywhere. Though the main body is built from plastic and doesn't feel much durable, you won't be disappointed with the responsive keyboard and touchpad. Moreover, the touchpad is 23% enlarged than the previous Galaxy laptops for more space while using. These laptops feature OLED display with Samsung's built-in low blue light technology so that you don't absorb harmful rays. The Book Pro comes with an AMOLED display and is more like a regular clamshell laptop. On the other hand, Galaxy Book Pro 360 features a Super AMOLED touch display and is convertible at 360 degrees. It also offers an S Pen, which you can use more conveniently, but you need to keep track of it as there's no built-in slot for the S Pen. A whole lot of port options are available with these laptops. Despite their thinner design, Samsung has not compromised adding more ports. The 13-inch variant has two USB Type-C ports, from which one supports Thunderbolt 4 for faster data transfer. You will also find a USB 3.0, a micro SD card slot, and a microphone jack. The 15-inch models get all of them with an HDMI port. For expandable storage, these laptops come with a built-in NVMe SSD slot. Both the Galaxy Book Pro and Galaxy Book Pro 360 feature 11th Gen Intel Core i5 and Core i7 processors with Iris X graphics. Co-developing with Microsoft, they have attached Intel's Evo branding to ensure it fulfills the latest requirements in a laptop compared with current generation. But the Galaxy Book Odyssey is focused more on gaming and offers better GPU. You will get the RTX 3050 Ti with the Odyssey version so that you can enjoy smooth and lag-free gaming overall. They have also improved the audio section as well. With these laptops, you will get Dolby Atmos sound quality co-developed by AKG. This will make sure you get a 360-degree sound around you and enjoy a lifelike music experience. Samsung is likely to create its own ecosystem like Apple's, and that is why they have added some smart features of their smartphone to the Galaxy Book laptops. For example, you can easily transfer data from one Galaxy device to another through the Smart Switch. This will make sure your data is transferred faster yet stays secure, so connecting your smartphone with the Galaxy laptops will be more unified and effortless. The processor used in the Galaxy laptops makes sure they consume less battery, making it more efficient. You will get a full day of battery life, lasting up to at least 21 hours for the 13-inch and 20 hours for the 15-inch laptops. That was all about the Samsung's most powerful Galaxy devices ever, which is not even close to the performance of M1 MacBook. With the Intel processor, it seems quite impossible for Samsung to compete with what Apple's M1 can offer. The M1 is better in every aspect compared with the Intel chipset. We were hoping for Samsung to bring up something innovative, such as the under-display camera, or maybe the rumored AMD GPU, which could make the Galaxy Book series one of the best in the laptop market. But it would seem foolishness to buy a Galaxy Book Pro at this price range, as you have alternatives to buy. Even the more powerful M1 MacBook that offers greater productivity and performance. And that's pretty much it for Samsung's latest Galaxy Book series. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this on your feed.